Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this ALCATEL. Firstly, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. Following that, you need to tap on the month above and pick a date by clicking on the correct one. I will go with that one. Now create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on Event. After that, you can adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title over here, pick starting or ending hour. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature completely by clicking on the switcher next to all day, then select Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat. Now you can add location over here, type in the correct address, and click on one of those searches. Now set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, take notes, and when you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my event was successfully added. If you want to edit it and make some changes, you can do that by clicking on it and tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make all changes you wish to, and tap on Save again. In order to delete your event though, you need to click on it over here and then click on those three dots at the top right corner instead. Now tap on Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!